Welcome to another exciting episode of the Ultimate Quiz Challenge on Quiz Infotainer. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the upcoming entertaining knowledge on time. Question number 1. What is a number consists of a whole part and a fractional part, separated by a punctuation mark? A. Decimal. B. Fraction. C. Integer. D. Whole number. The correct option is option A, decimal. A decimal number includes both a whole number and a fractional part, separated by a decimal point or comma in some regions. An integer has no fractional part, a fraction is a part of a whole without a decimal, and a whole number lacks a decimal point. Question number 2. Which calendar features the months of Fructidor and Thermidor in Europe? A. French Republican calendar. B. Georgian calendar. C. Gregorian calendar. D. Julian calendar. The correct option is option A, French Republican calendar. The French Republican calendar, introduced during the French Revolution, used names based on the seasons and weather. It was later abandoned in favor of the Gregorian calendar. Question number 3. Which color is made by combining blue and yellow? A. Brown. B. Green. C. Orange. D. Purple. The correct option is option B, green. Mixing blue and yellow produces green. Purple is made by mixing red and blue, orange is made from red and yellow, and brown can result from mixing all primary colors. Question number 4. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles in football? A. Argentina. B. Brazil. C. Germany. D. Italy. The correct option is option B, Brazil. Brazil is the most successful team, has won 5 titles of FIFA World Cup in 1958, 1962, 1970, 1994, and 2002. Germany and Italy has won 4 titles each, and current champions Argentina has won 3 titles. Question number 5. Who were the first to introduce paper money? A. China. B. Inca. C. Japan. D. Maya. The correct option is option A, China. Banknotes or paper money was first developed in China during the Tang Dynasty 618 to 907. It became more widespread during the Song Dynasty 960 to 1279. Question number 6. Which vegetable is known as the king of vegetables? A. Carrot. B. Eggplant. C. Potato. D. Tomato. The correct option is option B, eggplant. Eggplant aka brinjal is known as the king of vegetables. Question number 7. The Russian Empire was ruled by which royal family before the Russian Revolution? A. Bourbon. B. Habsburg. C. Romanov. D. Tudor. The correct option is option C, Romanov. The Romanov family was the last imperial dynasty to rule Russia, reigning from 1613 until the Russian Revolution in 1917, when they were overthrown and executed. Question number 8. How many permanent members are there in the United Nations Security Council? A. 10. B. 15. C. 20. D. 5. The correct option is option D, 5. The United Nations Security Council has 5 permanent members: China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States. These members have the power of veto and play a key role in decision-making on matters of the world. Question number 9. Who is often referred to as the fastest man on Earth? A. Asafa Powell. B. Carl Lewis. C. Jesse Owens. D. Usain Bolt. The correct option is option D, Usain Bolt. Question number 10. What is the smallest species of monkey? A. Capuchin monkey. B. Howler monkey. C. Pygmy marmoset. D. Tamarin. The correct option is option C, Pygmy marmoset. The pygmy marmoset, also known as the finger monkey, is the smallest monkey in the world, native to the rainforests of the western Amazon basin in South America. They typically weigh just over 100 grams and are known for their specialized diet of tree gum and insects. Question number 11. Which tree is known as the tree of life and can survive in extreme arid conditions? A. Baobab. B. Cherry. C. Spruce. D. Willow. The correct option is option A, baobab. Baobabs are known for their ability to store large amounts of water, helping them survive in dry climates, making it drought-resistant. Baobab tree is revered in many cultures for its longevity and resilience. Willows, spruces, and cherry trees do not have this water-storing ewing. Question number 12. Which type of cancer originates in the bones? A. Chondrosarcoma. B. Ewing sarcoma. C. Multiple myeloma. D. Osteosarcoma. The correct option is option D, osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma is the most common type of bone cancer, primarily affecting children, teens, and young adults. It typically starts in the long bones, especially around the knee, and can cause symptoms like bone pain, swelling, and fractures without clear reasons. Question number 13. Which European leader is associated with the phrase Iron Curtain during the Cold War? A. Adolf Hitler. B. Benito Mussolini. C. Charles de Gaulle. D. Winston Churchill. The correct option is option D, Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, used the term Iron Curtain to describe the division between the communist and non-communist nations of Europe during the Cold War. Question number 14. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Brisbane. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. D. Sydney. The correct option is option B, Canberra. Canberra is the capital city of Australia since 1913, chosen for its neutral location between Sydney and Melbourne. Question number 15. Which scientist is known for his contributions to the field of electricity and magnetism? A. Benjamin Franklin. B. Michael Faraday. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Thomas Edison. The correct option is option B, Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday was a British physicist and chemist known for his significant contributions to electromagnetism and electrochemistry, including the discovery of electromagnetic induction and the invention of the electric motor. His work laid the foundation for many modern technologies related to electricity. Question number 16. What is the main purpose of a hub-and-spoke model in airline operations? A. Efficiently connect multiple routes. B. Enable private jet services. C. Improve fuel efficiency. D. Reduce ticket prices. The correct option is option A, efficiently connect multiple routes. Hub-and-spoke systems connect various routes through a central hub, simplifying scheduling and optimizing routes. It doesn't directly impact ticket prices or fuel efficiency. Question number 17. What designates Antarctica as a scientific preserve and bans military activity on the continent? A. Antarctic Conservation Pact. B. Antarctic Treaty. C. Polar Science Agreement. D. Southern Ice Protection Treaty. The correct option is option B, Antarctic Treaty. The treaty, signed in 1959, designates Antarctica as a scientific preserve and bans military activity. Question number 18. Which organ in the body filters out old red blood cells? A. Heart. B. Kidneys. C. Liver. D. Spleen. The correct option is option D, spleen. The spleen removes old red blood cells, recycling iron. The heart pumps blood, the liver detoxifies, and kidneys filter waste but not old cells. Question number 19. What is the term used for a superpower? Intervenes in other sovereign states. A. Colonization. B. Imperialism. C. Interpol. D. World Police. The correct option is option D, World Police. The term global policeman or world police to a superpower, often the United States, that claims the right to intervene in other countries' affairs. This concept is associated with the idea of maintaining global order, but it can also raise questions about sovereignty and impartiality. The term first used for the United Kingdom before 1945. Question number 20. What is the purpose of the gyroscope in a smartphone? A. To capture high-quality images. B. To connect to satellites. C. To detect orientation and movement. D. To measure temperature. The correct option is option C, to detect orientation and movement. The gyroscope sensor helps detect orientation and movement, assisting with screen rotation and motion-based apps. Temperature sensors and cameras serve different functions. How many you got right? Please tell your score in the comments below. Having fun with this video? Hit the like button and join us for more. Subscribe Quiz Infotainer and turn on notifications so you never miss a new quiz video. We post regularly. Thanks for being part of the fun. Share this video with others.